Okay, looks like it's hit 40 something below again. So let's check the thermometer. Yep, 40 below. Okay, let's plug in the truck. Uh-oh, here's the plug. Ugh. Oh, where's the plug? Wait, oh, there's the plug. Okay. Ooh, burr. Cold. Okay, gotta plug the truck in. Where'd it go? There it is. Okay. Plug it in. Gotta put the phone like this. There we go. Okay. There. All right. Plugged in.